Hi friends, it's me Courtney from Know Your Produce, and today I'm going to share a comparison between the blender that I did before from Aldi and the new one that they just came out with this Wednesday, which is the high-speed blending set by Ambiano. So let's go and dive in. I will first say that this is 1,000 watts, where this is 300 watts. So we're going to just do a quick smoothie just to compare. I'm going to use some hemp seeds, some flax seeds, and things like that, just to see how well it can blend. We're also going to use berries because they have seeds in them, and see how good the texture gets, because this one, as you can tell if you watched our previous video, did a really great job. So let's get started. Now to compare, I'm going to first put in some my liquid. I'm going to do about a cup of oat milk in each. I wish they had like levels on there showing you how much everything is, so I'm using a measuring cup and sharing 2 cups between the two. And as you'll see, this is actually the smaller size of the one that I got and did the review of, and this is the largest size with the new one. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of flaxseed meal to each. It's a heaping tablespoon. I'm also going to use a tablespoon of chia seeds in each. Got a little bit on the counter, that's all right. Then I'm going to use a little bit of almond butter. Let me just get another spoon. So we're going to use some almond butter in both. You could also use peanut butter or any other butters that you can have. We can't have peanut here, so we do almond. A heaping tablespoon. Ooh, come on, it's thick. And we'll go with another heaping tablespoon. And I can use the other spoon to just get this off. Let's go. Then we're gonna go in with our frozen strawberries. I'm gonna use equal amounts of everything. So 2 halves, 2 halves, 2 halves, 2 halves. So that's 2 whole strawberries. Then we're gonna add a whole banana to each. These are ready to be blended. I should have froze them, but that is fine. 1 whole banana. Then the other one's gonna get another banana. And then we're gonna see how this almond butter strawberry banana smoothie is. And you can do obviously whatever. You can use oat milk, soy milk, regular milk. There's that. So this one's obviously quite full. And we're just gonna go like that. Then we're gonna take this one, turn the lid on as well, and then we're gonna blend. Give it a little shake so we make sure we have all of our seeds down. Look how filled this is compared to this. This is the smaller one. So we're gonna go first with the one we opened. So one thing I do notice, with this one I have to twist it this way, with this one I twist it that way. Not a big deal. This one does not have a pulse, where the other one does, but this one locks in to the right, this one locks into the left. So we're gonna give it a taste and see if we see a big difference. So I did blend this for a little bit longer, about 15 seconds. We're gonna pour both in. Pretty even amounts, not too bad. So now we have the original one that I reviewed before and the new 300 watts, so 1,000 watts versus 300 watts. Let's see if it blended comparably. Nice and smooth. You should always chew your smoothie, so I always just chew it. I did get a little bit of a seed, and we'll try this one. It still has a little bit of seeds. They're both gonna have it. Even if I put in my Vitamix, you'll still get that with the chia seeds and the flax seeds. The strawberries, very minimal. The smoothie will get a lot smoother in a Vitamix, but these do a great job. I'm really impressed with the 300 watt one. It did really well. Taste-wise, I wouldn't be able to tell. I mean, look-wise, They look pretty similar. So if you see this one in your Aldi, definitely give it a try. It comes in blue, purple, and black, and I think it's also a great buy. I saw a lot of people going to my other video. This is definitely different. It has more containers, which I kind of like, but it is smaller and it's less wattage, but I think it did a comparable job, so it is also a great buy in my book. So if you see it, go get it. It's only $19.99, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye, friends.